This Spotlight ATX is sponsored by Village Medical. You're watching Spotlight ATX. I'm Lauren Petrowski. Keeping your health in check doesn't have to be difficult or too time-consuming. Dr. Connie Pham with Village Medical joins us today. So first of all, Dr. Pham, what exactly is primary care?
Primary care is the first place that you would go to figure out where you're at with your health. From there, we can work on your preventative care and we can manage your chronic medical conditions so that you can achieve the goals that you want to achieve.
And tell us about Village Medical and why should patients visit you?
So Village Medical is a primary care office, and we talk to you about what your goals are. And from there, we can evaluate where you're at in terms of your current health and where you want to go from that point on. And we have the Stay Well Care Plan to where we evaluate those medical conditions and we plan out visits during the year so that you can achieve that goal.
And I understand you practice at Village Medical at Walgreens. What do you like about that model?
So because we're co-located in a pharmacy, patients get to get their medications expedited. So if you came in for a sick visit, you can go to the pharmacy right after the appointment and pick up the medications that you need. For your other medications, if you run into any insurance issues, then the pharmacy would let us know and we'd work on it together so that you can get those medications.
Yeah, does that make it a lot easier for patients to access healthcare?
Yes, I believe it does.
And how can our viewers visit you?
Well, I'm located at the Kyle Walgreens off Kyle Parkway, but we have a bunch of offices around the greater Austin area that other people could access as well.
Yeah, and to find those locations, you can visit their website, villagemedical.com, or call that number 512-225-5027. Thank you.
Thank you.